Dear students, welcome to one more new video of 10th standard social science. In this video, let us see preparatory examination paper of Dharwad district. Four choices are given for each of the questions or incomplete statements. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint pen. 81. The year which Vasco da Gama reached Capital of India is 1497, 1498, 1947, 1489. 82. The first Anglo-Sikh War was ended with the Treaty of Multan Treaty, Salbai Treaty, Lahore Treaty, Bessin Treaty. 83. Kolkata, Bombay and Madras universities were started through recommendations of Charles Wood Commission, Macaulay Commission, Hunter's Commission, Jonathan Duncan Commission. Let's move to 84. The war started because of Mahe captured by British was the first Anglo-Mysore War, the second Anglo-Mysore War, the third Anglo-Mysore War, the fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Question number 85. A great work composed by Dayanand Saraswati is Satyartha Prakash, Gulamagiri, Samvada Kaumudi, Mukanayak. 86. The immediate cause for First War of Indian Independence was soldiers were forced to overseas service, discrimination in the payment of soldiers, ordered to use the Royal Enfield guns, insulted the Indian soldiers. 87. The moderate leader who tabled the drain theory was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee, M.G. Ranade, Dadabhai Naoroji. 88. The incident caused for Gandhiji call back the non-cooperation movement was Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Chauri Chaura incident, Khilafat movement, Roundtable Conference. 89. Vallabhbhai Patel was identified as the first Education Minister of India, the first Law Minister of India, the first Prime Minister of India, the first Home Minister of India. 90. Segregation of the society based on religion is regionalism, gender discrimination, communalism, linguistics. 91. Not related to Panchashila principles is non-invasion of each other, mutual cooperation and respect, anti-apartheid policy, peaceful coexistence. 92. The country that cooperated in the Tashkent Treaty between India and Pakistan in 1966. Russia, Bangladesh, America, China. 93. The most influential affiliate body called as United Nations Cabinet is General Assembly, Secretariat, Security Council, International Court of Justice. 94. The fundamental rights are included in the part of Constitution is 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. 95. Education is a public property propagated by Mahatma Gandhi Ji, Jyotiba Phule, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 96. An unorganized sector labor group, agricultural laborers, doctors, teachers, soldiers. 97. The first railway line was laid between Madras Arkonam, Kolkata Raniganj, Mumbai Thane, Bengaluru Mysore. 98. The prominent movement led by Medha Patkar was Alcohol Prohibition Movement, Chipko Movement, Narmada Bachao Movement, Untouchability Prevention Movement. 99. The child labor is offence according to the article of the Constitution. Article 21, Article 24, Article 32, Article 17. MCQ number 100. The West Coast is more dash than East Coast, wider, narrower, taller, non-continuous. 101. The heaviest rainfall area of India is Ganganagar, Mawsynram, Dras, Roili. 102. The suitable soil for growing the cotton is red soil, laterite soil, black soil, mountain soil. 103. The forests found in wet marshy areas in river deltas are shrub vegetation, mountain forests, mangrove forest, evergreen forests. 104. The river flows westward and joins the Arabian Sea is the Kaveri, the Krishna, the Godavari, the Narmada. 105. The agriculture, growing crops and animal husbandry is known as compact farming, subsistence farming, mixed farming, dry farming. 106. The port found in East Coast is Kandla Port, Paradip Port, Marmugova Port, Kochi Port. 107. The city which is called as Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. 108. The Himalayan earthquake zone is coupled with maximum intensity zone, moderate intensity zone, minimum intensity zone, low intensity zone. 109. The total value of goods and services produced in a country during 1 year. Per capita income, revenue income, national income, real national income. 110. The policy differ from government housing program is Prime Minister's Awas Yojana, Ambedkar Valmiki Awas Yojana, Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, Ashraya Yojana. 111. The bank account opened by the businessman is savings bank account, current account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account. 112. The word bank is derived from the Italian word banco, banquet, bank, banking. 113. Consumer Protection Act came into force in 1986, 1976, 1996, 1966. Originally, Amar Sulya rebellion was a labor rebellion, farmers rebellion, tribal rebellion, arms rebellion. 115. The leader not belonged to the radicals group. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. 116. The occasion when Gandhiji gave the ultimatum do or die. Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, opposition to the Simon Commission. 117. The year when the Vishal Mysore state came into being, 1st November 1971, 1st November 1956, 1st November 1973, 1st November 1953. 118. The city called as Manchester of India is Chennai, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Davanagere. 119. The person who provides goods and services based on money. Supplier, user, producer, consumer. Last one. constitutional amendment introduced the uniformed Panchayat Raj institutions all over the country. 73rd Amendment in 1993, 73rd Amendment in 72nd Amendment in 1993, 73rd Amendment in 1993, 72nd Amendment in 1992, 73rd Amendment in 1992. Now let's see the answers. First one, 81. Question number 81. B. 1948. 82. C. 83. A. MCQ number 84. B. 85. A. 86. C. 87. Correct answer is D. Dadabhai Naoroji. 88. B. Chori Chora incident. 89. D. The first Home Minister of India. 90. C. Communalism. 91. C. Anti-apartheid policy. 92. A. Russia. 93. C. Security Council. 94. Option A. Third. 95. Option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. 96. Option A. Agricultural laborers. 97. Option C. Mumbai to Thane. 98. Correct answer is option C. Narmada Bachao movement. 99. Option B. Article 24. 100. Correct answer is option B. Narrower. 101. Option B. Mohsin Ram. 102. Option C. Black soil. 103. Option C. Mangrove forests. 104. Correct answer is option D. Narmada. 105. Correct answer is option C. Mixed farming. 106. Correct answer is option B. Paradip Port. 107. Correct answer is option A. Bengaluru. 108. Correct answer is option A. Maximum intensity zone. 109. Correct answer is option C. National income. 110. Correct answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. 111. Option B. Current account. 112. Option A. Banco. 113. Correct answer is option A. 1986. 114. Correct answer is option B. Farmers Rebellion. 115. Correct answer is option D. Gopalakrishna Gokhale. 116. Correct answer is option A. Quit India movement. 117. Option B. 1st November 1956. 118. Correct answer is option C. Mumbai. 119. Correct answer is option A. Supplier. 120. Correct answer is option B. 73rd Amendment in 1993. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks.